Okay, what I want to do today is I want to re-top my driveway. And the first thing that I need to do is I need to inspect the driveway to make sure it's in good enough condition to be topped. So we're looking for cracks, and a crack is okay, it just means I have to fill it in later. Anything that has plants going through, you know there's a crack behind it. What I'm looking for is alligator cracks. And this right here is a little borderline. You can see all of the different cracks, sort of spider webbing. It's not so bad, these particular ones. If it gets really bad and it starts to look like alligator skin with all the little chunks and like scales, then it might be beyond the ability just to retop it, and you're going to have to just repave it. But this was looking like I think I can make this work.
At this point, I'm going to go over and remove any plant that's inside any of the driveway cracks.
I like to pull it by the root, make it really hard for this ever to cause any damage again. Okay, so now I have a yard that has no weeds in the cracks, but is filled with debris and cracks. So I need to remove all this debris, and this broom is not going to cut it. This is just to help me look at all the cracks again, make sure there's still no weeds left over. So with all this debris out here, I'm going to have to blast it off because I won't be able to fill the cracks or top it off with this debris on top. So I'm going to rent a power washer, get all of this off of here after I do a light sweep.
I was able to rent a power washer at Home Depot for about $29 for 4 hours. And we just want to spray from the top and work our way all the way down to the bottom of the driveway and knock all the debris off.
Okay, so now that the driveway is pressure washed off, I'm going to fill in the cracks, and this is what I'm going to use it to do it. Okay, and now we got the cracks all filled in. We can apply our topper. All right. Okay, after we've had some time to let it dry, we can take a look. Everything looks pretty well.